This is how the aerator pumps works. This is the pump. Then let's plug it in. It's plugged in. So let's turn it on. Now, have you seen the bubbles going? This is air sucking the air. Let me take another phone, please. And see how pushing it around. See how the water is going. And the bubbles are forming. So you see how the water is going. The bubbles are forming. So when it is working and the bubbles are not going, or the water is not circulating, it means that it's not working properly. However, it depends on the depth of the pump. If the pump is too deep, you might not be seeing the effectiveness, but it will be working. But at least you will see small bubbles. So the best way is the pump is always supposed to be fully submerged in water. So because of that, I'm going to off it now. We are still filling up the pond to cover the pond. So anytime the pump is not covered or it's not fully covered, it means that you should fill the water. Otherwise, the pump can burn, and if it burns, you have to change new one. So always make sure that it's full submerged in water. So because of that, I'll off it now. But I just want to show you how it works. As we still top up the water to fill up the pump. This is how the filtration. This is how the filtration also works. You see, um, so we have this is the first filter container, which is containing the mesh. So we have connected to the unit, so you can always remove it and put it back. Now it's connected, so the water that the waste will be passing through here, and it will be coming into this container. When it gets here, this pump is supposed to be fully submerged in the water, so we are still filling up. So the pump will then pull it back into this second filter. This is another second filter, and then the water is dropping down, and that's how it also works. So this contain filter medium. That filter second filter. This container to contain another filter. So it has supposed to be always be firm like this. So water will be coming out and then it will be full. So it has to always be this way. Now, the water level in this pond is always equivalent to the water level in the container. So we will make sure that you get the water level filled up to get this container. If it comes too much, maybe above here, it must overflow here. So always use this to measure the level you should fill it up. So we're still filling it up, but that's how it works. So once a while, this container, you need to wash it and flush the waste out. And to wash it, you will just lock here, so that more water will not be coming to the container. Then when no water is no more coming, you allow the pump to take the water back, release small. Then you open here. So when you open here, the water will be going out. Then you just use something to stir so the fizz will go out. And then that's all. You can turn this one and wash the filter or the medium, or you do that another day. This one, it takes longer time to get dirty because the second filter. But when it is dirty, you see the water will not be falling out again. And you can pick it up, wash it properly, and then put it back again, and it's working properly. So that's how the two works. So now the two are supposed to be working together, the filter and the aerator. So, and that's how it show effectiveness. Okay. As you can see, the water is coming out from the outlets. It's coming out. So, notice that the water in the pump is always in equilibrium to the water in the. So take note of that. Water is here, it should be here. They are always in equilibrium. So take note of that. And the submersible pump is always be which means that the water should be high so that it can come out